Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. Link in the description below to stay safe online. Today we're comparing Verizon 5G home internet and T-Mobile's home internet. Which one should you choose? Now, both services use 5G to deliver wireless internet to your home, making them perfect alternative to traditional cable. Setup is simple, just plug in a gateway and go. But the experience can be pretty different depending on where you live. Now, Verizon's 5G home internet comes in two tiers, one with download speeds up to 300 Mbps and the Plus plan that can go over 1 gig. It's available in more urban and suburban areas with ultra-wideband coverage. The speeds are fast and consistent when you're in range, but outside of 5G zones, it drops back to LTE or slower C-band sometimes. T-Mobile's home internet offers one plan. Speeds typically range from 100 to 300 Mbps. It's a little more widely available than Verizon's ultra-wideband, and their gateway device is simple to set up. The trade-off is slightly slower peak speeds and potential congestion in busy areas. Both come with no data caps, no contracts and equipment required, and they're included. But Verizon has an edge if you're in a strong 5G zone, especially for gamers and streamers who want lower latency and more bandwidth. T-Mobile, on the other hand, is more consistent across larger areas and offers better, service in rural or semi-rural locations, while Verizon's high-speed network hasn't fully expanded. So, which one wins? Verizon totally wins if you live in a city or suburb with strong ultra-band 5G. You'll get faster speeds and better performance. And go with T-Mobile if you're in a more remote area or want simpler pricing and wider 5G availability. Thanks for watching.